Blind your eyes, steal your tongue. You'll take it when you're old, but it locks on you. Oh my baby, devil's gonna get you if I know first. Take my body and do yours.
She is ready for this big match, and she knows everyone backstage will be watching her make an impact.
From Birmingham, England, the bad guy, Jordan.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is gonna be good.
One of the best competitors in the women's division. And from England, the Total Package.
This person is such a puzzle to me. You see someone who is well-mannered and very polite, but then they get in the ring and turn into a real brute.
When you climb in the ring, you check the niceties at the door. Being well-spoken doesn't count for much when you're trading blows. At least they'll shake your hand before they knock you out cold.
such a talented competitor. I think we're about to see one of her best matches yet.
Gentlemen, I think she's about to start a fight.
And from England, the Dragon Princess.
If pride comes before the fall, then brace for one heck of a big fall in this match.
Oh, aren't you clever, Saxton? It isn't about pride for this athlete. It's about believing in yourself and keeping firm to that belief.
Determination in her eyes. She is more than ready for competition.
Bell rings. Money in the Bank ladder match action underway. The winner of this match earns a guaranteed contract for the title of their choosing anytime, any place within the next year.
That's right, with the Money in the Bank, you can punch your ticket to the main event of WrestleMania or to a no-holds-barred match in the parking lot of the Performance Center. The sky's the limit. You just have to survive and climb the ladder to get to the briefcase before any of your opponents do first.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh boy, here it comes. Will she get it fully locked in?
Crossface. This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
She will not quit. She will not stop.
This matchup can be a highlight reel and
Demolishing Derby at the same time. Boy, is it possible to prepare for something like this?
No, you cannot prepare for being pumped full speed into a ladder.
You can prepare it to wield one, though. A competitor must be comfortable with every part of the ladder. Not just climbing it, but utilizing it as a tool of destruction.
The ladder can indeed help you clear the field of your competition and increase your chances of victory.
getting back into the ring.
Oof.
That's one way here. Chin. Now we're going to get a little bad for her here. She's in the ring now. She's set to the outside. She heads out of the ring. An interesting strategy.
Across the top rope, all the way to the floor.
She's got the whole WWE Universe rallying behind her.
She's making her ascent.
Totally focused on reaching the top.
She's not done yet. Unreal. I can't believe it. That's a unique suplex.
Wrist clutch suplex, perfect.
I can't say that I'm surprised to see the action continue up here. Me neither, since it's a ladder match. She's got her hands on it.
Just got to work it free.
Going for it. Interesting timing, to say the least.
You can sense what her intentions are here.
Oh, my God, what a move.
Drop kick hits hard. Lands hard.
Stomping down.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy. Speed with the ladder.
Where the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Comes side of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
She will wisely return to the ring now.
No. And now she's placing it on the ring apron. And you just know she has something devious in mind coming up here. Around the neck. She's getting that ladder position perfectly. Setting it up as one thing, connecting it is entirely different. And now she's climbing up the ladder, hopefully with a plan in mind.
This is a nerve-wracking situation.
Perhaps trying to get a quick victory here. Not a bad strategy. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like quite a gamble to take at this point in the match.
I agree with you, Corey.
Back in the ring now.
Going up high with the punch, and she gets herself out of a precarious position.
She got launched. Getting the ladder set up now.
This could be the beginning of the end.
She flips it back up.
She's making the play now, guys.
Moves outside. What's the plan here? On the way to the top of the ladder. Hooked up. Shit. And look at this now. Bad intentions coming with this hole.
Twisted up.
This isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
Endless knee strikes. Oh, this is unique. Oh, man, what a counter. Great escape. She's taking things to ringside.
Here she goes. Up the ladder.
Be careful. Making the climb here, guys.
She's looking to unhook it here.
I think she's got a chance.
It seems a bit early to be going for the win, if you ask me. They can win it right here, though.
And the crowd is starting to come to their feet. Enough already.
She re-enters the ring now. Coming back in the ring. Oh, it's raking the back. Slam. Boom, what a punch. Oh. Reversal. Tony Khan.
She hit the corner hard.
She's got an answer for that. Forced out of the ring.
She'll get sent out the hard way.
And it looks like she wants to take this match outside. Sent out of the ring, not sure she wants to be here. She's into the ring again. That was scary.
She has trouble coming. Not going to be. So, we can be seeing a submission here.
This will win the match. They're doing a lot of damage in the process.
She goes. She's going out behind the ladder.
This will win the match. They're doing a lot of damage in the process.
Looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little there.
They gotta be careful. And she releases the hold as she feels that enough damage has been done.
Should have kept on wrenching. Why show mercy now?
Taking this one back to the ring now. Got a hold of it.
Yeah, let's see how long that lasts.
Guys, I'd be amazed if this is where the match ends. Up across the shoulder. What's next? Just stand for a ticket to victory.
Word of warning.
Uh-oh, we know what's next.
Sidewalk slam.
A game-ending move. Checkmate. Oh, no, I think we're going to see.
The electric chair. Nope. She goes back inside the ropes. She's setting it up right in the middle of the ring.
Right under the crowd. Perfect. Look at that snatch of victory here,
I
guys.
think it's going to happen.
Just a few steps away from victory now.
I think it's going to happen.
He's on the verge of victory here.
You got to pull like you've never pulled before. Come on.
Reaching up, this could be it.
And Cole, a win here would be so incredibly huge. Be careful up there.
Taking it to her now.
Love the looks of this.
And this match will head back to the ring. She's going for it, just has to get it free.
Looking to make a major statement to the rest of the locker room here, fellas.
Statement's about to be made. Tagged with a punch.
Might be in some trouble now.
This has been an absolute astonishing Money in the Bank match.
Insult to injury.
What is this superstar going to do now?
Triangle's in. Triangle's in. I'm going to take
Out of the
Perhaps thinking something else here.
Not sure why though, Michael. She seemed to have it really cinched in.
At this juncture, you have to wonder if these superstars can keep up this pace. They're certainly being taken into the deep waters now. Taking it outside the ring now.
Two-handed.
And back into the ring she goes.
Oh yeah, she is really showing her confidence.
Caught square by the haymaker.
Look out! She got launched. She slips outside. What has she got in mind? Nothing fancy there. Shane put in the ring now. She steals clear.
Into the torture rack.
Impressive reversal there. At this point, this is incredibly ill-advised. You're in the middle of a match. Getting tossed. Putting the shoulder in jeopardy there.
She'll take things into the ring.
Look at this. Snap suplex. Able to get the advantage here.
She's feeling it, and the WWE Universe is feeling it too. Another big move! Holy amazing display of athleticism.
It's all over but the counting.
Enough already.
With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring. Re-entering the ring now. Taking this to the floor.
Hooked up.
DDT!
And she's landing some urgently needed offense there.
Yeah, you get the sense that she is tapped. What is this superstar going to do now?
This is her time to shine, and don't you forget it.
Taking it to the floor. What's she gonna do?
Enough already.
Quite an effective counter.
That's just hard to watch.
Well, that's one way to leave the ring, I suppose.
A heel hook locked in. You can almost hear the opponents yelling in agony.
All right, she's back in, ready to go.
Certainly doesn't possess any creativity when it comes to how to use the ladders as a weapon. Here we go, making that all-important climb up the ladder.
I think this is it.
Looks like that ladder set up.
Like the looks of this.
Forget it. She's counting sheep. Looking to snatch a victory here, guys.
I think it's going to happen.
Gonna try to win it right here.
Make no mistake about it. This match could end right here, right now.
It could, but I don't think it will. In position for something here, Corey. And whatever it is, it's not going to be pretty. Positioning it right in the center of the ring. The only thing left to do now is climb it, Cole. Big opportunity here, guys. This could be a turning point.
Just about there.
Going for it all. I love it. They're battling high above the ring now.
Who wants it more?
She shoves it and reverses it.
Even high above the ring, she's showing she has plenty of fight left.
One of the best ever.
Thanks, man. Wow, what a shot.
Countered it just in time.
That'll fillet your chest.
Snap German suplex.
She gets sent out the hard way.
No count out as she takes this fight to the floor.
What a match. What a match.
God, look at the knees.
One after the other.
just showing her confidence. He has got something deep in his plan here.
To the outside.
On the top. Control. Just crashing down with hard impact. You can see her struggling to find her bearings.
Up into a cluster wrap. Then she responds with a counter. Get that instant replay right.
She's looking to climb the ladder here.
He's going to have to move quick.
Now we're going to get a little
Insult to injury.
She turns it around.
across the shoulders.
Looking on hook. Looking for the win.
Here we go. No time to waste. Gotta get it down now. Uh-oh. No. Golly, that could do permanent damage.
All right, back to it. Returning to the ring.
Look at... No, don't do this. No.
This is crazy.
And now...
To the top of the ladder.
This one is all over.
This place has come unglued.
Rightfully so. Here's where you want to leave no room for error once you do decide to set and climb the ladder.
Closing in on the prize here.
It'll be tough to stop this victory. He's queuing it up again.
And deep into the match, she's taking on more offense.
Yeah, she's falling into trouble here.
Man, is it enough to secure the victory?
Shut right out of the ring. And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with. And a kick.
That's just fun to watch. Insult to injury. Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Oh, big back fist connects. And now she's getting back into the ring.
There's a supreme woman in our midst. Show some respect, WWE Universe.
Here we go. We might be witnessing the ascent to victory. I think you might be right, Corey.
And she's just inches away from winning this one.
Let's take it somewhere.
Oh, watch this, fellas.
Kicks to the lower back. Clutching the wrist. Just absolutely punishing their opponent here. Relentlessly. Able to reverse that one. Double underhook.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
DDT.
Taking it to the floor. What's she gonna do? She goes back inside the ropes.
This could be the chance she was looking for.
There she goes.
And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
And look at that. There they go. Taking it outside the ring now. Climbs back inside.
Downward spiral.
She's sent to the outside.
Full speed with the ladder.
Here we go, right in the center of the ring.
A perfect place to set surprising, no?
That's it. This is as good as over.
Trust me when I tell you, this one is over, Michael. Oh, my gosh. Boom. What impact.
Positioning the ladder in the...
Take down the shoulders.
This could very well be it.
You could very well be right. One of the best to ever do that move.
Get right to the midsection.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
Incoming. No count out as she takes this fight to the floor. Oh, jeez. Nasty kick to the face. She re-enters the ring now. And a basement drop kick. Coming back into the ring. Back to the action. Right to the knee. She slips outside. What has she got in mind? Sent out of the ring, not sure. She wants to be here. Sent crashing to the floor.
She's looking highly motivated, getting hyped up.
This one is headed outside, guys. She's taking this outside. This one cannot be lost by countout. She's getting something from under the ring.
Taking things to another level, bringing out the ladder like this.
Wizard knee drop. And back into the ring she goes.
Quick return to the ring. Ripcord.
What is this superstar going to do now?
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
It's a roundabout strategy, but it might work.
Not sure why, but she releases the hold.
Well, I think she sensed her opponent was about to break free.
She's looking to climb the ladder here.
She's going to have to move quick.
Willing to bet we're looking at the winner climbing the ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that backfired. All the way from the top of the ladder. She let this, it's over. It's off the top of the ladder. Critical time for her to deliver that maneuver.
She has done a great job to stay alive, but has to think about ending matters quickly.
Here we go. We might be witnessing the ascent to victory.
I think you might be right, Corey. She might get this.
I think it's more than might.
Golden opportunity here. Don't blow it.
Oh, my God. Hanging on for dear life.
No letting go now.
She ends up right.
Oh, my God. She'll get sent out the hard way.
She's taking things to ringside. There they go.
Showing her competition what a real superstar looks like.
Nothing fancy about that. Right to the leg. Into the torture rack. Feast your eyes. That move is already trending.
Oh, yeah. She is really getting fired up.
Look out. We might just have a winner here.
It's close. The only thing left to do is pull it down.
Easier said than done. No, don't do this. No. This is crazy.
And now, noise from the ladder.
Nobody does it better.
Rolling neck. Here comes another one. In the ring again.
Big forearm. Call me crazy, but it looks to me like this match might be over here.
Close. She might win it right here, guys.
I think she might. This is it, guys. Exactly how I said it was going to play out. It's not over yet.
She got launched. And it's reverse pain for that mistake. She returns the favor there. Basement drop kick.
Great awareness as she this looks like the setup. 2.
That has got to be the one.
Reversal. Punch lands. She's into the ring again.
side to set up and climb the ladder.
Looking for the victory here, guys. No, now's not the time.
Oh, no. She could be caught here. Bad situation for her.
This isn't going to win the fight, but it's going to do a lot of damage. And now she's giving us all.
And she lets her free.
But the damage was certainly done, Michael.
From the middle rope.
Belly back suplex with the penalty kick.
Nasty elbow shots, trying to create separation. With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring. Getting tossed. She turns it right around with a counter.
Oh, impact to the stomach.
Tagging this outside. This could be good.
Making that shoulder vulnerable.
Here comes the setup.
Double DDT. She's going to try it again.
Man, just punishing her. That puts her in total control.
Talk about dismantling your opponent.
Goodness, brutal back fist finds the ground.
Just mounted with punches and not.
Oh, that can dislocate something.
Finds the mark.
Really tough to bounce back from that one.
Look out, we might just have a winner here. It's close. I don't know how stable that thing is, guys.
We're about to find out.
Test your balance.
She'll take things into the ring.
That's just hard to watch.
Jeez, that's gonna hurt.
She's getting that ladder position perfectly.
Well, setting it up is one thing. Climbing it is entirely different.
Here we go. We might be witnessing the ascent to victory.
I think you might be right, Corey.
Giving the people a chance to take in her undeniable greatness.
Down and sit out spine buster. This could very well be it.
You could very well be right.
She's inching closer to a win.
Can she do it? Got those hands working.
All the way from the top of the ladder. She lands this, it's over. Suplex on the ladder. Devastating. Sharp clothesline. Willing to bet we're looking at the winner climbing that ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen. Someone's got bad intent. Oh, no! For the love of God.
A crushing impact off of the ladder.
I don't know who that did more damage to. Willing to bet we're looking at the winner climbing that ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This could be it. Nothing stands in the way of victory now, gentlemen.
It's a virtual guarantee. You want to leave no room for error once you do decide to set and climb the ladder.
Looks like this one's not over yet, guys.
Nasty stop to finish it off.
And that's perfect positioning for the ladder. Money. Series of elbows looking to create separation. She does so. She's worked so hard for this.
I think it's about to pay off, Cole.
The entire WWE youth.
Is this superstar?
Roll the credits. This one's done.
Insulting.
Stomping down.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
This very well might be the match right there.
This might be the final call. It's almost down.
Airport slam. I saw it coming. Getting back into the ring. This could very well be it.
You could very well be right. talking.
And his opponent from Sin City, weighing in at 187 pounds, DK Cloud.
This matchup is treacherous. Both competitors enter with no absence of malice. It's about inflicting maximum punishment.
You have to create your own opportunity. Pinpoint a body part and exploit it. Everything is at a competitor's disposal.
The lack of rules makes a superstar even more dangerous.
Fishing for something beneath the ring.
A steel chair? Something we all know can be a devastating weapon.
Oh, merciless knee to the face.
Shoulders down for the count.
It'll take a lot more than that to keep him down.
He returns to the ring. He turns it around.
Oh, look at the squeeze. It's on like a vice grip. Oh, that just looks nasty. Uh-oh, clearing off the announce table. This is about to go from bad to worse. This is not going to be pretty. I don't want to see this happen.
He goes for the quick pin attempt. One count and he gets his shoulder up.
Definitely looks in a hurry to finish things.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid-fire punches.
Corey, with a match as unpredictable, as chaotic as Falls Count Anywhere, can you even formulate a strategy? Or do you just kind of have to play this sort of thing by ear?
Actually, Cole, the main strategy here is to embrace the chaos. These superstars have to keep in mind that they can do anything in this match, and the opposition can too.
Referee in position.
And bypasses the pinfall.
He's trying to get this done fast, looking to avoid going into deep waters.
And he'll come back from under the apron. And returning to the ring.
Catches a punch.
Getting tossed.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down. Oh, look out.
Oh, no! My goodness, that did not go as planned.
Might have been a bad plan to begin with.
Attacking the knee.
Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreaker stretch. Drops the hammer right on the lower back.
Shoulders down. Immediately powers out.
It is going to take a lot more to keep him down. Oh, man.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Oh, no, he could be caught here. Bad spot for him. The official asking, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap out?
He's trying to hold on, but for how long?
And he may have felt his grip slipping, so he releases the hold.
Still was able to produce some considerable damage here.
Quick thinking pays off.
What a punch. That's how you stop your opponent.
He can end it here. And he manages to kick out at one.
He's nowhere near ready to stop fighting yet. connected right on the jaw. Oh, meet the backside of an elbow. Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Stop in the leg.
Slides back into the ring. He climbs into the ring.
Something's about to go either very wrong or very right.
From the top.
This could do it! A defiant kick out after one.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
Gonna take it old school.
Oh, look out. Right on the mark. Oh, boy, he's stalking him. Watching for an opening.
Caught the leg. Oh, right to the gut. He's taking some good hits.
Oh, stop it, stop it, stop. Jeez.
Oh, big height on that moonsault. He can end it here. He's got him. Quick count out after one.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it. Come on, count along if you want. The 10 baits of the Bodhrán.
Shot after shot after shot. My goodness.
He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one.
Oh, man. Kicks to the lower back. Clutching the wrist. Just absolutely punishing their opponent here. Relentlessly.
He continues to press forward.
We are looking at an unyielding attack from him. Off the barricade.
Suplex, here it comes.
Nicely done. He has to be at his limit now.
This is a very dangerous situation now.
Well-delivered suplex.
What a punch. Here's a cover. He got the shoulder up in time.
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Stomping away.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. Fighting back with a counter. Superman punch. Right in there. Oh, what a right.
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
Have you ever seen such disdain from this superstar for the other?
This is so chaotic.
They're taking it
So
to a
dangerous.
new level here tonight.
I don't think either one of these superstars will ever be the same after this match.
No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Eye of the counter. Harlem sidekick.
Watch the knee.
Wait a minute, setting in. Devastating submission coming.
Oh, it's locked in. The case. It's cinched in. I think we're just moments away from seeing a tap out.
We're hearing a snap.
And he lets him out of the submission hold.
A strategic move to wear down that body part for something bigger later.
Forearm.
Saw that one coming.
Strikes with a kick.
Brutal stomp to the body. And just getting started. Look at this brutality.
This is how you torture your opponent.
Oh my God, this is hard to watch.
And now he continues to come up with ways to damage the opposition.
He is proving it will take a lot of work to keep him grounded for good.
Look at this. They emerge from the WWE Universe.
This is crazy.
And now he's just being pushed around.
Yeah, and every attempt to fight back's being negated.
He's turning the tables.
He could be turning his fortunes around.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Easy.
Any more hits in that area could leave him dizzy. He's going to the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Two. Oh, just a 2 count that time.
Holy moly, how? Uh-oh. Going for the win. And the official calls it clearly. They cannot fight any longer.
Here is your winner, D.K. Cloud.
That match was all business from him.
So, at the next pay-per-view, I want to defend my championship against him. To be honest, I have respect for the guy, and I know me and him are gonna have one killer match. So, for the rest of that, make this match happen. To be honest, and Jimmy, I'll see you soon, kid.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. It is for the Internet Undisputed All-Star Championship.
We'll
Introducing the challenger from Swansea, Wales, weighing in at 221 pounds, Superstar Jimmy Taylor. And introducing the champion from England, weighing in at 255 pounds, he is the Internet's undisputed All-Star Champion, Storm Brewer!
You win this title, you are primed for big things. This title defense begins, and it really is lonely at the top, wouldn't you say? Once you're at the pinnacle, Saxton, you don't. Covered by the champ.
1, 2. And that gets just a 2 count.
I really thought he was going to get his shoulder up at 1. Gutbuster.
Up to the top rope now.
High risk.
Fake with an elbow drop. He's returning fire.
Oh, targeting the stomach.
Another reversal. Eye for an eye here. Put into the corner now. Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Oh! Stomping. Ouch. The challenger's looking shaky. He had to be prepared to take some damage tonight. Gets the shoulder up.
Just using the cover to drain out some energy. Oh, what's coming here? Submission move being applied.
Locking it in. Ankle lock. An extreme.
Rolls through, able to escape the ankle lock.
Hooked up. Nothing fancy there. Spinning Uranagi.
An arm breaker. The champion's down. The champion's down.
Oh my God, we have a new champion. Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan.
Did you hear that impact?
DDT. Talk about devastation.
Unable to counter.
He went right into that turnbuckle.
Trapped in the corner. Here's the pin. Title on the line. 1, 2. A kick out before 3.
This could be a tipping point in this match.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Hits the mark.
He didn't need that eyebrow anyway. Oh, what a drop kick.
Uh-oh, this is not going to end well.
Head attack for the championship. Kicks out before the 2 count.
Still not enough to put him away. He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
Snapmare. Right across the face. Oh, man. From the middle rope. Breathtaking hurricanrana. He is getting shredded apart right now.
Yeah, he has really hit a brick wall here.
Crucifix powerbomb. For the championship. 1, 2. Kicks out. He still has life. How? How?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the Women's Pro Wrestling Championship.
Don't listen what your girlfriend says. She reads those magazines that say you failed the test. You don't have what she needs. I'll slither like a viper and get you by the neck. I know 1,000 ways to help you forget about her. That bitch can't eat her heart out. Love bites, but so do I. So do I. Love bites, but so do I. So do I. Love bites. My lips so pale and vicious, you're foaming at the mouth. You suffered in the darkness, I'll suck the pain right out. So come and taste the reason I'm nothing like the rest. I'll kiss you.
Go girls, go, 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 go. We girls gonna take control. You boys better know, no, no. We girls gonna run this show. Go girls, go, 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 go. We girls gonna take control. No, no. We girls gonna run this, run this. 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 All I want is something new, something I can hold on to. I don't wanna talk, I just wanna dance. Baby, let it drop, catch me if you can. We girls gonna run this, run this. Down with the rhythm on another beat, gotta take that back, what you said to me. Never giving in when the sun's so high, gotta feel that heat when you call, say bye. Down with the rhythm on another street, gotta let this go.
Introducing the challenger from England, Hallie Hudson. And introducing the champion from England, she's the Women's Pro Wrestling Champion, Luger Blaze.
You can see it in everyone's eyes. They all want this championship. After plenty of hype and social media chatter, the bell has finally been rung on this championship match.
The time for talk is over. These superstars are ready to settle this and determine who gets to hold the title. Uh-oh, this is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied. Armbar's in. Armbar.
Oh, man, there's nowhere for her to go. This may be over quick.
Fujiwara. Oh, nice way to get out. Oh. Discus knee strike.
Reversal. Can she capitalize?
Ooh, tossed with the suplex.
Goes into the pin. And she's not done yet.
So resilient. She's staying elusive. Wheelbarrow Hurricane Rana. Nice. Oh, man.
Oh, double leg drop.
Top rope. Here we go.
Big mistake there, Corey. Well, she knows that now. A drop kick. Oh, new champ. Gets the shoulder up after one.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on.
Ah, look at this. Hair pull mat slam. What a shot.
Hooked up.
Inverted DDT.
A well-timed dodge. Great way to break down your opponent. Springboard corkscrew crossbody.
2. The champ just beats the 3 count.
We'll see if this is the start of a rally.
Shot to the back.
She's gaining momentum here, guys. She's reading everything her opponent is trying to throw at her. Challenger's a little worse for wear now. Able to reverse.
Nice takedown.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there. Oh, shot right to the kidney. And again.
Great way to
For the title. Emphatic kick out for the challenger.
This isn't even close to over. She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
mat slam. Listen.
Ortho's hooked and over. Oh my goodness, critical point of the matchup. It could be over right here. Can she hang on? Can she somehow hang on?
Trying to escape desperately, flailing, fighting with everything she has in the elbow freezer.
Picking up speed, building momentum. Trying to change the tides of the match. No trying. The superstar has changed the tides of the match.
Cover by the challenger. 1, 2. Gets the shoulder up.
She's still as determined as ever. DDT! And the DDT!
The champ not in a great place.
And hanging tough, but beginning to show some wear and tear. Might want to think about picking up the pace a bit. Oh, man.
She's just getting looked over right now. Yeah, you have to think her confidence is dropping now. Across the top rope.
Dropping down all their weight.
Uh-oh, new champion. 1, 2, 3. New champ. A new era begins.
Here is your winner and new Women's Pro Wrestling Champion, Ali
Don't listen
Hooker.
what your girlfriend says. She reads the
With a title channel here tonight. Wait a minute.
Oh, wow.
Miss Money in the Bank is here. And she's making a beeline for the ring.
This is it, fellas. It's gonna happen.
Cash in, cash in.
The champ looks ready.
It's happening. Cash in tonight. Action underway. The champ looks as hungry and prepared here as ever.
Yeah, they have absolutely no desire to even entertain the possibility of walking out of here tonight without their title.
Oh, shoulders down. Championship on the line. 1, 2. Ooh, hardly kicked out there.
Just by a whisker on that one.
Boom, what a punch. Kick right to the midsection. Punch.
Straining that trapezius muscle.
Oh, kick connects. Stomping down.
Bionic elbow driven down.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
The pinpoint kick to the back.
So much damage inflicted.
A determined sequence of attacks from her here. She's unloading move after move.
She's feeling it, and the WWE Universe is feeling it too.
Drop kick to the spine. Shoulders down, championship on the line. 1, 2, digging deep for a kick out.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
And she gets herself out of a precarious position.
Reversal, can she capitalize? Oh, man. To retain the title. 1, 2, kick out. She still has life. What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea.
Good timing with that reversal. Knee left. Jawbreaker. Call the dentist. Double underhook. Butterfly DDT.
The champ is down. Title change. I can feel it.
2, 3. We got a new champion. Unbelievable.
Here is your winner and new Women's Pro Wrestling Champion, Violet Nightmare.
I still can't believe it.
There you see our new champion.
If I fall, will you be there to catch me now? Catch me now.
So here we go, very intense moment here. Superstars must have butterflies in their stomach. It's an electric atmosphere, and we are underway. Right in the mouth, relentless.
Ooh, stiff punch.
Belly to back suplex. No! Kick to the spine. Up top, Samoa driver. Oh! He's back into the ring. Boom. Getting that ladder set up nicely.
Right in the center of the ring, Michael.
Going to the top here, guys.
Looking to finish it.
Reaching out, looking to get the win. Nobody in this building thinks the match can end here.
I think so.
Working his way up the ladder now.
This is a critical moment.
Loading a big kick to the back. He's fighting to stay alive here. He's scratching and clawing.
Quick wickets on this. Throwing caution to the wind, and both superstars pay the price.
Heading up the ladder.
And he's closing in on the victory here.
Reach out your hand and seize your destiny.
Cole, I will be shocked if this doesn't end in a crash back down to the mat. Me too.
Inflicting pain at will.
Perhaps a match-saving move right there, guys.
Man, oh man.
He's going after him up there now, guys.
Not a safe place to be.
Boom, what impact. Into the ring again. Vicious right forearm. Trampling the opposition. Hey, don't look now that that ladder is lined up perfectly. Showtime. A win here would be a bit of a surprise. Shot. Going for all the glory here, guys. Oh, man. What a smash. That is just insulting. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. Making the climb here. Maybe looking to end this thing right now. He's got it in his grasp.
Huge spot in this match right here, guys.
If this lands, it might be all over. Look at him. Pride and poise personified.
Setting it up on the ring apron. I can tell you that's a dangerous spot right there, Cole. I don't know, coming the ladder at this point seems to be a bit ambitious. That was an unbelievable gamble from the ladder. A risk that could have easily backfired. He steps foot in the ring again. Look out! Looks to me like that ladder is positioned perfectly in the center of the ring.
Now he just got
Shifts it back out to him. Positions him up on the ladder.
a dangerous spot to be in, that's for sure.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
How's that for a counter? This could be big. Going up high. From the top. Oh, that was nasty, Cole.
Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
You never know. This could be it.
He's gonna need a better grip on that.
Yeah, no way that's coming down. He gets it from high above the ring. Oh, my gosh.
fight to new heights, gentlemen.
I see what you did there. He's close now. This could be his moment.
And a victory. Where's Kyle after this? Suplex from the top of the ladder. That puts him in total control. Buster.
Big opportunity here, guys. This could be a turning point.
Could be just seconds from victory.
Closer even.
One good pull wins this thing.
He takes control. This is not going to end well.
A few steps away from victory now.
I think it's going to happen.
One good pull, and he could have this match won.
No, he's going to want to hurry up on that one good pull then.
Grab it. Put those educated fingers to good use.
Shut up, Saxton. And now a series of stomps and kicks.
He's struggling a bit here.
Well, this is a bad situation. It's difficult to climb a ladder when you're this beat up.
That's not right, but effective. Overhand chop. Gets inside the ring.
Gosh, terminating knee smash. Up across the shoulders. Here it comes. Heartbreaker.
And just like that, he sent crashing to the floor. Turning the tables.
Look at this.
Just a dominant display.
Big power slam.
See ya. Definitely wouldn't want to be you.
And he goes into the ring. He's got the answer for that one. He must have something up his sleeve, setting up the ladder there. Oh, shit breaker. What a smash.
That was just insulting. Here we go. Making that all-important climb up the ladder.
I think this is it.
Not quite there yet, but don't stop now.
Looks down a good grasp, but it's just not coming down.
Oh, this has got to be frustrating.
Buster.
Nighty-night.
Tough position to be caught in here.
Let's hear your third Corey. Brilliant.
Oh, that'll turn your skin red.
Doing whatever it takes.
Oh, what a kick.
Right to the
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Look at that snatch of victory here,
I
guys.
think it's going to happen.
What a battle we are witnessing.
We're at a stage where someone's going to have to shift it into another gear.
There's no way it comes down here.
No, zero. Absolutely not.
Big form.
Well, that's one way to leave the ring, I suppose. Body shot.
Tied up between the ropes. It's about to get worse. Look at these knee strikes.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
Taking this one back to the ring now. There he goes, right into the corner. Oh, what a kick. Vicious. Boom. Ooh. He's taking this to the floor now. Bullseye with the drop kick. Knife edge chop going through the arena.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. What a drop kick. A stunt rider stretch.
And he's landing some urgently needed offense there.
In the back of his mind, he has to be telling himself to finish this fight soon.
Looks like that ladder set up perfectly in the center of the ring. No, 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 no.
You're insane. You're insane.
Will he be able to capitalize?
He's ejected from the ring. Taking this to the floor. Oh, what a drop kick. Heads out, and he has all the time he wants.
Here we go. Making that all-important climb up the
the ladder. I think this is it. This opportunity is his for the taking.
Don't do this. No. This is crazy. No. From the ladder. And the fight keeps being brought to him.
Not the place for him to be right now. He has to turn this around.
The pillars of this building must be crumbling from the energy these fans are putting out right now. These superstars are giving it their all, and this audience is giving it right back. I love the thought process here, but you're going to have to move a lot faster. Tag knee maneuver on the horizon. Oh, my!
Paying it right back with a reversal.
That'll wake you up.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Missed timing with that springboard. What a knockout blow. Man, perfect kick. What are we about to see?
Oh, knee right to the hams.
Wow, what a hamstring.
Can't prepare your face for that.
He saw it coming, taking advantage. Suplex. Out of the ring, what's his plan here? Oh, right to the kidneys.
Wasting absolutely no respect on his opponent. You gotta love it.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
Bam!
Coming in hot.
He's a projectile now. He's heading back to the ring. And he's on the offense at this crucial moment in the match.
Pulling off an outstanding surge at exactly the right time.
And the wear and tear keeps mounting on him.
Suplex from the top of the ladder. Head to the pin window.
Oh, man. Big opportunity here, guys. This could be it. Turning. Oh, no. No way. It's off the top of the ladder. Suplex off the top of the ladder. And he keeps on powering through to remain on the attack.
Yeah, he's making this.
Clothesline.
Does he have a winning hand now?
Back in the ring now.
Just a few steps away from victory now.
I think it's going to happen. And he said, "You're not getting me with that this time."
Big kick. Burying knees into the body.
Let him have this moment. He's earned it.
Looks like that ladder set up perfectly in the center of the ring.
Going for the win here.
I'm having some trouble getting it down.
Go ahead, Byron. Ooh, right to the face. Counters. This could be an opportunity. Boom. Oh, strong impact.
Look at that snatch of victory here, guys.
I think it's going to happen.
He can win it here, guys.
I don't believe it.
An aggressive move going for it now, but I think I like it.
It's not going to work. Up into the torture rack.
And he's been taking hits after hits in this one.
He has had flashes of control, but not on that one.
Big opportunity here, guys. This could be a turning point. Working to unhook here.
Victory is within reach.
Pulling something down from that height certainly ain't easy.
Tell me about it.
Incoming. Suplex.
Very nice. The admiration for these superstars is echoing throughout this arena right now. Ooh-wee. Here we go. Making that all of Ripcord.
Oh, my goodness. Nasty line.
Close the
book on this one. Look at that snatch of victory here, guys.
I think it's gonna happen.
Look at this. Can he grab it? Inches away. Smart move here, Cole. Let's see if it pays off. Oh! Hits to the core like that'll render you useless. He's ejected from the ring. To the outside.
This could get wild.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
Uh-oh. Shoulders down.
You gotta be kidding me.
Call me.
Will's piling on for this. Suplex from the top of the ladder. That's gotta do it. That's gotta be it.
Makes him pay with a counter.
Oh, not to the belly.
This crowd is truly unworthy of his incredible magnificence.
Oh, nasty stop to finish it off. My goodness.
Kick lands.
Really just laying it in.
Look out. We might just have a winner here. It's close. Holding on tight. This could be it.
Oh, this could be the beginning of the end, Michael. Oh, man.
Oh, God.
Oh, my gosh.
And returning to the ring. Call me crazy, but it looks to me like this match might be over here. Close. He's going for it. This could be it. And you can feel it. The mood has absolutely changed inside this arena. Punch right in the head. Unpacks a well-placed punch. Oh, what a wind-up. What's coming next?
Overhead connects. What could? Oh, my goodness. Nasty line.
Ooh, stomp to the body. And just getting started. Look at this brutality.
This is how you torture your opponent.
God, this is hard to watch.
Cinched up. That's why we're going to use a ladder. Both arms trapped. What on earth? Oh my gosh. And he red-card lariat. What a combination. Punishing the opponent. Unloaded. Oof. Kick finds it.
He'll take things into the ring.
Into the corner now. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Handle slam. Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want. Comes back into the ring. He's looking to hoist it up.
Look at this power slam.
Meet him at the pay window. This could very well be it.
You could very well be right. You're so close.
Guard. No, don't do this. No.
This is crazy.
They're not. From the ladder. And hard to tell where he's still finding these bursts of offense.
Now he somehow gains an advantage despite everything he's been through.
He's back into the ring.
Here's where you want to leave no room for error. Once you do, just...
That's it.
Leaping off the ladder proves to be a costly error.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Saw that one coming. Took advantage. Quick exchange of counters there. Look out. We might just have a winner here. It's close. Oh, he's going to do it. He's going to do it.
Oh, yeah. This is it.
Game, set, match. This one's over, fellas. takes it right back. Bad predicament right here.
Setting up. Neckbreaker. The pain window beckons.
Setting foot in the ring now.
Carefully setting it up right in the center of the ring.
Perfect placement.
Overhand chop.
Was a dominant display. Power slam. I think that finally closes the book.
Look out, we might just have a run here. It's close. This could very well be it. You could very well be right. It's a long way down from up there.
Just don't look down.
Right to the back. Smash on the ladder.
There's some power behind.
No. Good God, that does it. That'll do it.
Shaking impact. Delivered from on high.
Gentlemen, we are about to witness a career-defining victory.
Sharp elbow.
This is a show of confidence or a wasted opportunity to attack your opponent.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Punch. Call me crazy, but it looks to me like this match might be over here.
Close.
This could be it.
It's almost. Overhand right lands. Counters. This dog snap suplex so quick.
Andy's able to counter.
Reversal on top of reversal.
My goodness, did you hear that, John? Jumping knee strike. Now, set right out of the ring.
Oh man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Oh, what do they have planned here? Look at this. Handstand.
Awesome.
He climbs into the ring.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Big opportunity for him now.
Boom. Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a rag doll here.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
And back in the ring we go. And now failed to hit the mark.
Off the ropes. Oh, look at this agility.
Well scattered reversal there.
Oh, stomping away. He was waiting for him to make his move. Rolling European uppercut. Back elbow smash. Nothing fancy. Perfectly executed move. Suplex.
Being carried around with ease.
But he's still got to climb the ladder. That's the only way this match ends.
That'll break his arm. Vicious.
Willing to bet we're looking at the winner climbing that ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen.
I think he's got this.
He's dipping it in close, Saxton.
Looks to have a firm grip.
Re-entering the ring now.
Here we go. We might be witnessing the ascent to victory.
I think you might be right, Corey. He's so close. What's taking so long? Pull! Pull!
Oh my gosh, what impact.
Let's just all take a moment to truly appreciate and embrace his presence.
Hits him with the counter.
Roll through.
Pele kick.
Soaring.
Almost doesn't pay off.
No matter how much matting you put on the floor, you are feeling the cement after that miss.
This is just brute power.
Just pure dominance.
And he goes into the ring.
Here's where you want to leave no room for error once you do decide to set up and climb the ladder.
He might just do it. You could be right.
Oh, look. There we go. We might be witnessing the ascent to victory. From the top of the ladder.
I can't believe that paid off.
Willing to bet we're looking at the winner climbing that ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. This is as good as over.
This match is over.
It's not that easy, Saxton. Into the barricade. He got whipped into that corner. High-risk area up there.
Will there be a reward?
And you know what's next, guys?
The electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins. Speed up the ladder.
The ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Goes up. Must come down.
Double flapjack.
Getting the ladder situated right now. A good spot, too, right in the center of the ring. Call me crazy, but it looks to me like this match might be over here. Close! Call me crazy, but it looks to me like this match might be over here. Close!
Willing to bet we're looking at the winner climbing that ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Game? No, don't do this. No.
This is crazy.
And now, falls from the ladder.
See ya. Thanks for coming.
Push.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
He's got a firm grip. This could be it, guys.
Unless there's an act of God in the next few seconds, he absolutely has this match won.
Gentlemen, we are about to witness a career-defining victory. Ooh, and a right hand for good measure.
Elbow on the spot.
Haymaker connects.
Good timing with that reversal.
Hit right to the back of the leg. The springboard attack fails to land. And just like that, he sent crashing to the floor. And he's taking this to the outside now. He reverses it.
He is a sight to behold. Take a picture while you can, everyone.
Piercing the throat.
Down with the bulldog.
Gotta fight.
Getting all tied up here.
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment.
And look at him tapping. He's had enough, but it doesn't even matter in this scenario.
He's setting up the ladder now.
Looks like to me he's got it in the right spot, Michael. Here's where you want to leave no room for error once you do decide to set up and climb the ladder.
This very well might be. The impact. And he continues to undergo an assault late in this match.
Yeah, every step forward with it is being met with resistance.
Right to the spine. And finds.
This is it. So close from the top of the ladder. How much more can they endure?
Both wrists captured. Nasty. He's going for it all. Pick your jaw off the floor. 6:30. Far into the match, and he isn't letting up.
Yeah, he's at a point in the match where he wants to remain relentless.
Look out, we might just have a winner here. It's close.
He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it.
No, now's not the time for Butterfingers.
Tough break.
Oh my, hanging on for dear life.
Just a long fall. Waiting now.
Climbs back inside. Punch connects. Forced out of the ring. It's out of the ring. What's next?
He
Oh, that was awesome.
Powerless position to be in right now. And out of the ring he goes. Well, that's one way to leave the ring, I suppose. Rear chin lock, and now just wrap. Here we go.
You want to leave no room for error once you do decide to set up and climb the ladder.
The only thing left to do is pull it down. Easier said than done. The entire WWE Universe is on their feet now.
So annoying.
Break his arm. Vicious. Returning to the ring now. Look out. We might just have a winner here. It's close. Oh, foot just stomping down. Dangerous spot for him to be in. He's got to figure out a way to get back in it, guys. Reversal. Can he take advantage? He gets back into the ring. Setting it up. In perfect position, too. Step up by Jerry. Will it? Very, very dangerous up top. That's the understatement of the year, Cole. What noise off the ladder. And he's pushed into a weakened state now.
He does not want to be fighting from underneath this late in the game.
Call me crazy, but it looks to me like this match might be over here. Close! Big opportunity for him here. Can he pull it down?
I think so. Guys, this is it. This match is over.
I'm afraid you might be right. Outside the ring now, he has no need to rush. Able to elude it.
Going up top.
Stick your jaw.
Amazing rotation on the 630 splash. Will that be the deciding factor?
He's a projectile now. Got to find a way to get out of this. He's outside the ring now. He's got a plan. A moonsault. And this one might be headed ringside. Wow. Lights out. Neckbreaker. Into the ring now. Did you hear the impact? Turned that one around. Oh my goodness, that might have snapped a finger. So much torque on the knee and ankle. Suplex. And he's willing himself to keep the pressure on.
More evidence that you could knock him down, but keeping him down is a different story.
Big kick. Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over. He steps foot in the ring again. Uncorks a thunderous chop. Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a rag doll here. There they go. He foiled that attempt. What a forearm. Waist first with a waistlock takedown. Each competitor showing they've done their homework. Harlem side kick. Mounted palm strikes.
Kicks to the lower back, clutching the wrist. Just absolutely punishing their opponent here relentlessly.
And he's able to miss. Face first with a waistlock takedown. That's just hard to watch. And now he's standing it right up in the middle of the ring. Right where it needs to be. Here we go. We might be witnessing the ascent to victory.
I think you might be right, Corey.
Closing in on the prize here.
Looks to have a firm grasp on it, too.
Here we go. We're looking at the winner climbing that ladder right now, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like he's got him where he wants him.
Yeah, but this would not end well, I promise you.
He's moments away from victory.
Almost there.
Golden opportunity here. Don't blow it. And this might not have a pleasant ending. Great counter.
Connects on the kick.
The pinpoint kick to the back. back to the ring.
Look out, we might just have a winner here.
It's close. Holding on tight. This could be it.
This might be the final call. It's almost done.
He gets sent down to the floor. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries. Okay, he's re-entering the ring. This could very well be it.
This is crazy. Yet another big move, guys.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation for the crowd and get back into the fight. The win is within his reach.
Just a little more.
It's almost down. My hands will be sinking.
Good thing you brought your gloves, dummy.
Down for a drop.
He's one step ahead there. Setting it in place here.
DDT. Here's where you want to leave no room for error once you do decide to set up and climb the ladder.
Looking for the victory here, guys.
Got those hands working overtime.
I don't believe it. Hanging on with a death grip.
Please don't fall. Please don't fall.
This could very well be it.
Very well be right.
DDT.
Oh, no. High risk, high reward. That's what that was about.
Intense luck on their side right there, that's for sure. I can't even wrap my head around this. The win is within his reach.
Just a little more.
It'll be tough to stop this victory from happening now.
Impossible. Had that well scouted. The big gun fired yet again. Getting tossed. Punch to the stomach connects. Ooh, he retaliates.
He is a sight to behold. Take a picture while you can, everyone.
Oh, look at that torture their opponent. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Incredible achievement. Here is our
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the Pro Wrestling Championship.
I've been looking forward to this one.
Seek solace and safety. Won't somebody save me? I'm tired of running from the walls that surround me. Same old faces, same old names. Every day it's all the same. Same old walls, same old corners. Every day the same old borders. Let's say this is a nightmare, but this is never ending. Every single day, I can't find an exit. My vision's much further than my feet.
It's a big time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael. And judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
He's got a good chance of becoming the new champion tonight, and the WWE Universe is buzzing about it.
Strangers around me, I don't know
trust how to ground me. I can feel adrenaline, my heart's pounding. The enemies all around, they surround me. Yeah, I think I better prepare. No fear in this world, better beware. No time in the world, yeah, to be scared. Leave it all on the line or don't be here. My ending's unclear. I can feel the quest, it's pulling me in. I don't wanna rest, I need to begin. I listen to my chest, I feel it in the wind. I know that I'm obsessed, that's how I'm gonna win. Yeah, I trained for this. Yeah, I prayed for this.
Let's not forget the title is on the line here tonight.
How can I forget? I've been looking forward to this match for a long time.
I was born to make changes.
The pressure is on for the champion, looking to cement himself as one of the best of this era with a big win tonight.
Deflated, I hate it, but I use hate as fuel to give me energy. I got the barrel and the scope on my enemy. It's in my mind how I redefine everything and know who I am, what I want to be.
Introducing the challenger from Swansea, Wales, weighing in at 184 pounds, the Best Jack. And introducing the champion from Swansea, Wales, weighing in at 247 pounds, he is the Pro Wrestling Champion, Connor!
A title coveted by legends and hungry young talent alike.
Championship action underway. The champ looks as hungry and prepared here as ever.
Yeah, they have absolutely no desire to even entertain the possibility of walking out of here tonight without their title.
Down after going round and round. Champ's got the pin to retain. 1, 2. A kick out to stay alive. Wow.
Snap suplex, very effective. Enough already. Ooh, elbow strike. He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone. Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm. He knows how to avoid contact.
Gets caught by the exploder. The challenger's looking shaken. Going for a pin for the championship. And the referee stops the count before 2.
Still has enough energy for the simple kick out.
Oh, what a knee lift. He now just looks helpless to every attack.
Yeah, this flurry's proven to be quite the challenge for him here. Disorienting attack.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let the champion into the cover.
1, 2. Just kicks out.
You have to think this battle is starting to weigh down on him.
Showing a lot of fury with these attacks.
Just an onrush of offense here. Up the turnbuckles. What's he gonna do? Up high. Cross body. Stomping. Ouch. No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. A snap there. Oh, big boot. Oh, this can end it right here. Here it comes. Oh, my God, burning hammer. Here's the pin, total on the line. One, two.
Barely kicks out.
What do you have to do to put this guy away?
On top of the ropes and set up for something bad here. He turns it around.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
Power from the suplex.
He's reminding his competition that they'll only ever be second best.
Oh, man.
He didn't need that eyebrow anyway.
With the reversal. Arm wringer applied. Arm wringer finger snap.
You don't have an upset stomach after that one.
Champ looking to end this.
The kick out, only one. Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Arm wringer applied. Oh my goodness, that might have snapped a finger. Step suplex.
Very nice. Looks like the champ is going to retain. 1, 2, 3. And the champ retains.
Strangers
Corey, I think
around
that
me.
may be the
I don't
biggest
know if
win
I'm the
of this
trust
young
or
man's
ground me.
career.
I can feel the adrenaline in my heart's
Incredible
pounding.
victory.
The
Yeah, I mean, a
enemies all
hard-fought
around me
matchup.
surrounding. Yeah, I think I better